Hi there, I hope you're all doing well. This week's Zombicide Undead or Alive mini is Mariachi from the Dead West set. He was black and white zenithally primed and gets started with smoke black for his suit. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You could also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, I get his shirt base coated with warm grey. For all of his skin, I went with dead flesh. Getting all of the leather and wooden parts done now, I grabbed Ancient Forest and gave them a once over. For his sash and neck piece, I used Hellspawn red, just to really make it stand out against those neutral tones. As with all of my current Zombicide minis, the base gets done with Plague Brown. This is also used for the trim on the trousers and around his hat. To add a highlight to the suit and push it towards the brown the artwork is, I used burnt umber, went over all of the raised and flat areas, just leaving the darker tone in the shadowed parts. Adding a highlight to his shirt now, I used Grimy Grey. Getting all the metal parts done now, I went with the plate armor. Moving on to washing the Mini, I used a light tone wash over everything. And just made sure to come back in and pull off any parts that pulled too much. To finish up the base, I added some sandy desert texture. Being a zombie, there has to be some blood effects. These will get done with zombie gore. And that will be it for Mariachi. He's pretty quick mini to get done actually, taking around the same time as a normal survivor, just with a few extra blood effects. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description, where you can share anything you have been working on. If you want a closer look at this mini, check out my Instagram page. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.